Hey, I'm Timo FPV, and we're going to have another flight today. We are on episode 25, I think, and it is 30 degrees outside. So I'm going to bundle up, we're going to spin the wheel, and I'll catch you out on the field. Hello. Okay, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the intro, we're doing the laser flip. Like I said, it's cold, but it's not as windy today, so we're gonna fly the 5-inch. Yeah, let's get going here. I'm gonna make sure to work the GoPro this time, make sure it works properly. Okay, we're ready to go. So let's do this. Timo FPV, episode 25, laser flip. Let's just do it. Okay, battery's less than full. Well, of course it is. I think my backpack, when I do it, it switches it to angle mode, which is why it does that. Okay, so it's gotta go like that. And then I need to do a yaw spin in the air. Okay, so like that. But on the vertical axis. So let's just go for it. All right. That was not good. Did you hear that? I don't know if doing this in front of me is the best idea. Okay, let's make it more smooth. Okay, that's what we want. We want it faster, a little more precise. Yeah, okay, so I want that to be. We need to roll more, I think. Okay, here it is. No, I chickened out, sorry. I think I just need to work on the yaw. The yaw's gotta be more aggressive. I don't know what the heck that was. Also, my hands are freezing. Whose idea was this? All right, this one might be a challenge. Oh, I'm always so nervous. All right, first pack, we're just trying to loosen up. All right, loosey. Or maybe we just get it first pack. All right, okay, it's there. We just gotta bring it in. All right, we just gotta hone it in. All right, let's land it. Let's switch batteries. Call her a day. Disarmed. Hope you're having a great day as I wait for this to turn on. Pack number 2. Hey, it doesn't say low battery. All right. Here we go. Let's just do it in the open field first so I don't risk. Nope, that wasn't it. I need to punch it a little more. Okay. Here we go. Okay, that was okay, I guess. Not the best. I get too focused on centering it that I don't focus on doing the actual trick. Okay, almost landed. It's cool. And he rounds the pitcher's mound. I think I'm rotating too fast. I think I'm too nervous. It's too aggressive a yaw. Okay, that was ugly. I want to get a good one. I want it to be visually pleasing, you know? Visually like eye candy here. That's better. Perfect backspin. Okay. Whew. All right, one more. I've got to land this battery. Okay, just kidding. This is the one more. My horizontal is not quite so horizontal, so I need to go here. Okay. And then rotate. We already have to land. So annoying. I've been getting into Pokemon cards recently. Rocking the Miraidon deck. Put in the comments what deck you run. All right, we're just gonna commit. We're gonna commit and we're gonna go for it. Nope. Sorry, that wasn't the commit. Because I wanted to do it from this side. I hesitated. Man, this has to be painful to watch, as painful it is to do. Like the yaw spin in the air is easy because, you know, I know where I'm going. It's up here. How long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Here we go. Laser flip. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. Maybe this way. I think I'm over-rotating. I can't tell if I'm over-rotating or under-rotating. That was good, I just didn't like the rollout there. That was good, okay, it was okay. I like that one. I want to do it on this. Actually, you know what? Let's go for it. Just kidding. I don't want to do it on that because I don't trust myself. Or do I? That was terrible. That was honestly horrendous. I should be embarrassed. Let's do it here. I just have a constant low battery warning on my drone. So I got one chance to do this. I consider that good. All right, we have to land. Ugh, so annoying. After we do it one more time. All right, this is a fun trick. I don't know if I'm doing it as well as it can be done, but it's fun. I like it. I want to improve on this one for sure. Let's do one more time. All right. Okay. Let's land. Fill this battery and let's call it good. All right, and just like that, we did episode 25, the laser flip. So 25 of 64 laser flip. And that one is, you know what? We're gonna give it a 3.5 star. I think because of the buildup of what it needs to succeed. All right, 1, 2, 3 half stars. Okay, on Team FPV, episode 25, laser flip, 3.5 stars. There's a laser gun because why not? All right, I hope you have a great day. Hopefully next week it's not as cold. Actually, this wasn't that bad. You know what? I'm not gonna complain. It was actually pretty nice out here. Yeah, I'm Team FPV. Stay soaring.